Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study software engineering. To begin your journey, focus on building a strong foundation. Start by mastering fundamental programming concepts and data structures. Understand how algorithms work and their efficiency for solving problems. Choose a core programming language, like Python or Java, and learn it thoroughly. Consistent practice is key to solidifying your understanding and developing your coding skills effectively. Once you have a solid programming base, it's time to dive into core software engineering principles. Explore various software development methodologies, such as Agile and Scrum, to understand project workflows. Study design patterns to create robust and scalable systems. Master version control systems, particularly Git, which is essential for team collaboration. Finally, learn about software testing, including unit and integration tests, to ensure code quality. With the fundamentals in place, you can now dive deeper and consider specialization. Investigate advanced topics like distributed systems, cloud computing, or cybersecurity. Choose a specific area, such as web development, mobile development, or machine learning, to focus your efforts. Actively build personal projects to apply your theoretical knowledge practically. Contributing to open-source projects also offers invaluable real-world experience and collaboration opportunities. Software engineering is a field of continuous learning. Always stay updated with new technologies and industry trends to remain relevant. Network with other software engineers and professionals to expand your knowledge and opportunities. Prepare for technical interviews by consistently practicing problem-solving and data structure questions. Seeking mentorship can accelerate your growth, and in turn, providing mentorship to others strengthens your own understanding and leadership skills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.